dami. Dalawa.
Isa lang. Kuha ko.
Heads or tails? Heads. Nasaan yung piso? Dito, mali. Dito. Ano ka, heads? Okay, wala. Tabla. Nakaganyan yung piso. Ganyan. Okay, tuloy.
Heading. Football. Oh, Papa, footwork.
Ito na. Hindi mo nakikita yan, invisible yun. Heads. Takpan natin. Heads. Tails. Sino mauna? Siya, ikaw daw.
Alright. Dapat pakilala mo na pag yung toss coin.
At my right,
Mr. Bang. Baka.
Mr.
Superman. Bakawan.
Mr. Paladan, in the house. Mr. Paladan, in the house. 1 minute, start na, man. Yo, 1 minute, start na.
Yo, fuck up, man. Yo, man. He's a silencer, man.
Fuck, man.
He's a silencer. What the fuck up, man? Yeah. Okay, time. I can't understand. Time.
You're next, man. You're next. Understand me? It's the white people, man.
Yeah. I'm a black ass.
Yo, 1 to 5, yo, come on. Yeah. Ikaw ba si Chard? Sinasabi nilang artista? Para sa akin, ikaw lang isang manicurista.
Si Chad bagdang na.
Okay.
Si Chad. Wala pa. Time.
Time now, good.
Time. 5 seconds. Your turn, Mr. Paladan. Better talk right now, okay? Game. Time.
Okay.
Ang hirap. Understand this? No, man.
1 minute.
You bet your black ass here, man.
Ano ba yung sinasabi? Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano ka ba, Pipe? Ha?
Walang
Pagpakasing nangigayo.
Si Chard, magsalita ka rin.
Round 3. Chard.
Huwag masal mo lang ako
Silencer yan.
Time. Jared. Yo. Ako'y pinapatay mo. Parang di kita kaya. Bakit ba? Magsalita.
Please.
Ano? Magsalita ka man.
Oy!
Oh, ano?
Time. Okay, judge na.